Wait. Make a guess how much it is. I'm just fingering Nismo right now.
That can't go into the video.
Why not?
Oh my god, wait, 5,000.
Oh, I didn't know you're making a baby already.
It was a close call.
It is a really rainy, cold day, so this is the less than ideal introduction. But we are at NISMO Omori's factory, and we have been waiting a long time to get here because they have been closed leading up to this week for TAS, and I'm very happy to finally be able to visit this place.
Let's go!
Let's go. So coming straight to Omori factory, you can see they have a Le Mans car hung up on the wall. So this car competed in the 1998 June Le Mans race, the 24 Le Mans, the GT1 class. And this is so sweet. I can't believe they got this on the wall. I always wanted to hang a race car on the wall, and I mean, if you're a Nismo, you definitely have the means to do that. So actually we visited Nismo's Omori factory last year, but we came so close to closing time that we had literally 5 minutes to visit. So let's take a proper look this time while we're here. So of course, Nismo's Omori factory is quite a special place to Nismo. This is where all the cars get built and restored. The special editions, the Z-Tunes, the R-Tunes, all the Nismo engines, all the CRSs, they all get built here. So this is the place where everything happens. Everything expensive with Skylines, everything special about Skylines, it happens here. These are where all the race cars that Nismo built end up. And these are cars where they have been super successful in their racing heritage, and it's cool to see all of them here. So the R34s, we have here the Pennzoil car, and behind us we have the Calsonic car. If you grew up like me in the 90s, these were the cars that were available in Forza Motorsport, in Gran Turismo, and all the games. So behind me is the Motu All-Tech R35 Skyline. So cool. So here on the wall, these are just some of the drivers that have driven them. It's such a huge range of drivers, so many different race helmets, and they all look super cool. I feel like racing helmets is one of the best ways to express yourself as a racing driver, and it really shows. It is so pretty. So besides the side where all the motorsport cars are, let's go to the other side. So as you can see from behind, it is like a garage or workshop area, and that's where all the Nismo CRSs gets built. As you can see, it's completely packed, and everyone's currently working on some cars. We have in front here a Nismo R33, a Nismo R34, and behind you have an R32 that's still being worked on. So obviously it's Auto Salon weekend, so the garage is a little bit less busy because everybody's probably at the show, but you still have people at the back working on the cars here. You have a Z-Tune in front that's so special, the Nismo R34, the Nismo R32. This Z-Tune is in a beautiful silver, and this is the very famous Z-Tune silver that the car comes in. There are already some R35s being built, R33s, so many Skylines. The waiting list on Nismo CRS is apparently years right now. So these are some of the more everyday cars that Nissan have to build. So this is a EV. That's just something, I don't care about that. So this is a Nissan Skyline. Nissan Skyline, if you know, in the past, they have always been offered in a 2-door or 4-door version. But this is a 2023 model year Nismo something. It's a Nismo Skyline. I don't know what it is. Let's see. It has a VR30, so that's the same engine as the one in the 400Z. What else do they have? What else do we know? Well, it's a Nismo trim car, but it's a Skyline. It's a 4-door Skyline, and it's a completely different model from the 2-door version. But it's very nice. I think they did a really good job with this car. Oh, it looks pretty sweet. So this is the 4-door Skyline that's available now. It even has the racing lights. So it's this third brake light, but I'm guessing it blinks. That's where the race cars all have the light on the rear diffuser. It looks pretty sweet. Look at that. It has the GT badge as a homage to the Skylines. And that's so sweet. So let's look at some of the special things on the wall at the back. They have a massive TV looking at their race achievements. They have a bunch of toolboxes. There's some memorabilia that you can buy. But here, this is pretty cool. So this is a 2013 Super GT replica. It is wind tunnel tested. So this is what they use in the wind tunnel to test the aerodynamics. So they built a model, which is like, I don't know to what scale, but they would use this in the wind tunnel to test how well the aero did. Usually building a car at a smaller scale helps, and it's quite accurate in determining the data in terms of aerodynamics for a car. So before we go to the gift shop behind, we have to come here. So Nismo aren't just about building trims like that. They build super nice, super high quality engines for the Skylines. So as you can see, there are a couple engines for sale. This engine is 2,530,000 yen. So this is a VR38 DTT, the twin turbo engine in the R35 Skyline. And this comes with a special Nismo S1 badge. So you know this engine is extra sweet. Oh, look at that. So move on to the one beside. This is an RB26. It's a Nissan R4 spec engine. It's built in Omori factory, and every Omori factory built engine comes with a special plug. It makes you feel very special that you have engine here. And this is how you know that your engine is super high quality and super well built. There's a Nismo intake manifold, the carbon fiber intake pipes, and here we have a RB26 S2 spec. So as you can see, I don't think this one has a price tag. So the R4 doesn't have a price tag, but the S2 here has a price tag. Look at the price of that. That is 4,133,000 yen. That is almost 40 grand. So what makes this engine so special? Again, because it's built at home in the Omori factory. Nothing beats an engine that's built completely in-house in the factory that your car came from. This is super sweet. Unlike this one with the fancy bits, this is the more stock looking, original looking intake. So this is original intake manifold with the original intake pipe. These are so sought after nowadays because everybody's restoring their R34 Skyline with prices skyrocketing. And what best way to restore your Skyline by having brand new parts? Look at that! Every single thing is new. It's so shiny. If I have an R34, this would be my dream engine. So over here we have some interesting engines. These are obviously not for sale, but these are for display. So what they have in the exhibit, they have a R34 GTR GT500 GTC engine. So this is a race car engine. It has a drive sump, and you can tell that it's super raw, super crazy. And beside the GTC engine, we have a Group A Skyline R32 engine. This is so cool. So if you know about the Group A, it's a touring car championship, and this is where Nissan did very well with the R32 Skyline. And this is one of the engines that were used in the races. I want to go shopping. Let's go shopping. Look at smoke signals. Oh, so Dino was talking about getting some of these. Oh, maybe I can just get rid of him. So Dino has been talking about getting sell these because he needed the parts for his car. What's a present in Japanese?
Presento?
Presento. Presento. Oh.
I'm pretty sure it isn't.
Oh. Wait, where did you get these? So do you need front lens for your R34?
It's not even a 4R34, it's for S13.
Oh shit.
for S-
S13.
Daniel will need that.
I have an S13.
You have a S13.
Oh shit. Yeah.
It's $300.
That's expensive. These are super cool. These are the LG4
GT4s.
wheels. Everybody look at that. It's so.
I'm pretty sure that's price per piece, man.
Yeah, it is price per piece. But look, they even have like different grades. They have the version S. They have even 400R. You have 400R spec. Oh, I want one. Should I put this on the RX-7? Should I put this on RX-7?
Put 19s on an RX-7.
Hell yeah. As if that's the main problem.
10.5J.
And these are super sweet because these are the LG4 with the engraved words. That's how you know it's premium. I'm just fingering NISMO right now.
That can't go into the video.
Why not? So we are at a wall with all the accessories, and these are the most expensive accessories in NISMO. Look at that. This is a NISMO R34 carbon intake ammo. Do you know how much it is? Wait. Nathan, guess how much it is.
$250, $300? 30,000 yen. No wait. No, that's no wait. Maybe $500.
$500?
Yeah.
So that's what's reasonable for intake ammo.
Yeah, about that. Yeah.
Do you want to come and see the price?
Wait, that's divided by how many zero? That's $5,000. My God! Wait, 5,000.
We also have a carbon radiator cooling panel, which is about it's only $300. It's $300. We have a NISMO wheel here. That is $1,200. We have a strut bar, which is a titanium strut bar, which is it's $1,000.
It's a bit more than $1,000.
Oh yeah, but it's
You're more than halfway the two.
no. The strut bar, it's 100. Oh shit! Oops.
You have a problem with pricing.
Okay, we need more parts. Look at that. Crank sensors, belt tensioners, water pumps. So these are just normal wear and tear parts, so I hope not. They have regulators, throttle valve sensors.
$170 for ignition coil isn't too bad. $170.
$170 for one ignition coil S6.
Oh yeah. I'm thinking from the rotary point of view.
So we have a carbon mirror cover for the R34 Skyline, R33, R32.
Forgot they have 6. Yeah.
They even have carbon door handle protectors. Ooh, look at that sticker, NISMO. Bolt set. License plate. We have a license plate bolt set. Does it say NISMO? No. No NISMO. We even have the carbon pillar garnish, the A pillar for the R34 and 33.
Oh, these G sensors are for like the high cars and everything, right?
Yeah, it is. It is for the driveline system. Nathan is reconsidering whether or not his dream car is going to be R34 anymore. You can get the original shift knob for R32, 33, 34. Oh, this is sweet. Oh wow, NISMO shift knob. I have a NISMO shift knob.
Will it fit?
There's a titanium shift knob.
Will it fit on a RX-8?
Yeah, it will. We tested it. I think
Oh,
you
you
need
did?
adapter. We need adapter, but you'll fit on RX-8. You have NISMO oil filters. You have fuel caps, oil caps, and radiator caps.
That's quite cool.
Racing spark plugs, thermostat.
I do need a new knob.
You need a new knob. You are the knob.
I do need a new knob. Mine's peeling really.
So you gotta buy a NISMO knob. No, you have to buy the GTR knob. You have to buy the GTR
It's a
knob,
bit
so you can.
blasphemous though.
It's aspirational. It's manifestation. It's manifesting.
manifesting.
This is what the Gen Z is calling it now. It's manifesting.
Putting a GTR
Knob.
shift knob in an RX-8.
Yeah. Would you like some NISMO pillow? It's a NISMO tent. We can go tenting. This is what owners need, because when they buy a R34, they can't afford their house
yeah,
anymore.
they
They need to
can't-
sell their house,
Yeah.
so they buy a tent to live in.
Yeah.
Or they even come with a table. Ooh, that's quite cool.
This is the this is everything you need.
This
and you
is-
don't have a house.
Yeah. After paying for all NISMO parts, you sell your house and then you buy this. Chairs, you buy a table, and then you buy a tent. Ooh, the turbo! I didn't see that. So this is an R1 spec turbo. This is R3 spec turbo. Oh, this is so expensive. Also, yeah. So it's It's over here. You can see it's $3,000 a turbo.
No, it's 6 grand if you get this one. No, it's 3 grand.
So it's, yeah, it's like $3,000. $3,000 for one turbo. You even have all the supporting parts, the fuel rails. The fuel rails here, the injectors, all the wiring for the injectors, the plenum. Not plenum, sorry, that's a F. Sorry, my bad, that's a airflow meter. Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's got the sensor. Oh yes, maybe I can afford some of these.
So. Oh, I didn't know you're making a baby already.
That was a close call. That can't go in the video. Oh my god, that's the thing at Alan Feng's place.
Yeah, that's Alan Feng's parts.
That's like 40 grand.
Yeah. But the cars are like 200-300K now. It's crazy. What? Oh, that.
The exhaust.
You didn't say what. So Nathan's gawking at the titanium exhaust system.
I'm just a yob. I'll be honest. I just like things that are loud.
And shiny.